Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh from Trail Built, and what is this Jeep Wave thing? Well, we got our videographer Zach's Jeep that you see behind me here, and we're gonna go drive around and we're gonna experience it for ourselves. So smash that subscribe and let's go. If you have a Jeep Wrangler and are wondering why other Jeep owners keep waving at you, well, it's because you're driving one of the most iconic off-roading vehicles ever to be built. See, there are a few different theories as to where the Jeep Wave actually originated from. Some people say it's from World War II when soldiers were on patrol in their Willys MB and would wave to their fellow soldiers as they passed by each other. Others say the Jeep Wave started shortly after World War II when the civilian model Willys CJ2A hit the roads and veterans would wave to their fellow Jeep owners as a symbol of having a common bond by owning a brand of vehicle that was widely used in the war. Some even say it started in the 70s when Jeep owners started modifying their Jeeps with larger lifts and tires and would wave to other Jeep owners that had modified Jeeps, and it grew into what it is today. Whichever way the Jeep Wave started, one thing we know is that it's not going away anytime soon. Jeep owners understand the freedom and independence that comes with owning one, and it's the mentality of the adventure-seeking, life-loving enthusiast that earns the respect of your fellow Jeep owner. It's not waving just to say hi, it's waving to say, hey, you're like me, and I understand your passion about the outdoors, adventure, and boundless freedom that you get from being able to throw your Jeep in four-wheel drive and go just about anywhere. Also, guys, don't forget we have our Icon Vehicle Dynamics Suspension Giveaway going on right now until July 24th for your chance to win an Icon suspension valued up to $3,000. The best way to get entered is by heading on over to our website. It's trailbuiltoffroad.com/giveaway and picking yourselves up one of these awesome Trail Built Icon giveaway t-shirts. And guys, by grabbing one of these tees, you're also helping out the Wounded Warrior Project and helping our vets live a happy and healthy life, as a percentage of the t-shirt sales will be donated to their cause. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure and let us know in the comments below how you guys do the Jeep Wave. Also, if you are looking for a set of wheels and tires or a suspension lift for your Jeep, Toyota, or whichever rig you have, make sure and check out our website. It's trailbuiltoffroad.com. As always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from Trail Built, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.